Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous videos we have created a catalog, so which is an identity management catalog. So this is what we have created, a catalog called marketing, which is only for the marketing users, and we have 3 resources in that. And we also added the relevant roles to the users, where we have owner as well as a catalog reader. So we have these two users. So we have these two users here. And let's go back here and let's go ahead and create an access review for the guest users. So I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch the previous videos, so that you can get a glance before coming to this video. So let's go back access reviews. So right now we don't have any access reviews here, so let's go ahead and create one. So click new access reviews. So you can see schedule an access review to ensure the right people have the right access to access packages, groups, and so on. So this is what the access reviews are. So basically, Azure Active Directory access reviews enable organizations to efficiently manage group membership, access to enterprise applications, and role assignments. So user access can be reviewed on a regular basis to make sure that only the right people can have continued access, and the other people will be denied from this. So this is what it is. So let's go ahead and select what to review. In this case it would be teams and groups, and the next one would be all 365 and the guest users, which the scope will be guest users according to the docs. And once it is done, the next step is we'll be going to the review section. So click reviews, and here you can see we have determine the review stage, reviewers, and the timeline below. So this is what it is. And coming to the multi stage review, you can see here, so it adds up to 3 stages of reviewers to complete the review. So instead of so you can see whenever you click yes, there are multiple options related to that. So there will be multiple stages where the review will be taking process. So right now we'll be not selecting this. So coming to the next section, select specify the reviewers. So in this case, you can click this. We have group owners, select users or the groups who can review this access, or users review their own access, which is a bad practice, and managers of the users. So you have to make sure that the group owner should be fine. So you should not give the users to review themselves, which is a bad practice in this case. So we have selected the group owners, that should be fine. And coming to the fallback users, you can select here. So choose the users or the groups to perform the review if the primary reviewer does not exist. So let's say I got a review and I didn't perform any action on that. So at that time, these fallback reviewers will be activated, and they can do that review. So coming to the specify recurring reviews, so the default is 6, so let's leave that. And review recurrence, you can click. So whether you want to do it weekly, monthly, quarterly, or so on. So let's keep weekly in this case. And this is the start date, which is today, and the end date, which is never. Or you can specify a date where the review can be stopped, or you can end the number of occurrences. So right now just select no, which is the default one. So let's go to the settings. So this is the settings, how the review will take place and what happens when the guest user responds or doesn't respond. So the good practice is to remove the access when the reviewers doesn't respond. So you can check this. So let's see what's the first one is auto apply result of resource, which is if the user access is denied, their access to the resource will be removed after the review has been completed. So if the reviewers does not respond, you can see if the users who have not been reviewed by the reviewers will be removed by the system. Or you can add the relevant or take recommendations or so on. So you can select the appropriate option based on your organization. So at the end of the review, you can send the notifications to the particular users that they have been reviewed or so on. So coming to the enable review decision helpers, you can see no sign in within 30 days. So if you select this one, if enabled, system recommends reviews to be denied users who have not signed in within the 30 days. So recommended accounts for both interactive and non-interactive sign-ins. So coming to the advanced one, justification required. So require a reviewer to supply a reason for the approval. So I can remove this, or you can add it. So it's a best practice to add this. So coming to the email notifications, as you're ready to send emails to the reviewers when access review starts, and when the review of the owner is completed, when the review is completed. Coming to the reminders, you can add the reminders as well. If it is enabled, Azure AD will send emails of in progress access reviews for the all reviewers during the mid point of the review period. So you can add the additional consent to the reviewers email. So these are the pretty options. So we can directly read it from it and get more information regarding that. So you can go to the next stage. So right now you can review all the options that we have selected, and you can create it. So this is how you can create access reviews, and we have successfully created access reviews for the guest user. And so if you don't, and one thing is so this is how you can create an access reviews. So we have completed with the task 5 and complete. So if we talk about task 6, it's just deleting of the catalog. So it should not have any access packages. Before deleting it, you should not make sure that they are deleted there. So since there are no access packages here, we can directly click here and delete it. It will be deleted for you. So this is how you can create access reviews. So I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video, and I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.